Okay, guys, here we go. Last math lesson of second grade, and you have worked very hard. Mrs. Boffman wants to remind you that over the summer, you are going to need to practice for sprints. Mrs. Westerman, who will be your math teacher next year if you're at Spring Trail, will expect that you come into third grade knowing your addition facts and your subtraction facts, because from what I understand, you start out with multiplication facts. Boys and girls, it is so important for you to know how to add and subtract walking into third grade. Please don't put away your flashcards. Don't put away extra math. Use that over the summer. Trust me, you're going to come to me and say, you were right. Okay, let's finish up with fractions here. And we'll do a quick lesson, and then we'll let you go do your problem set and move along for the rest of the day. So I have drawn some shapes and I have shaded some parts. And what I want to talk about today is how we identify and write a fraction for shaded parts and how we identify and write a fraction for unshaded parts. So I know that when I am dealing with fractions, I count the total number of parts. I have 1, I have 2. That 2 is going to go on the bottom of my fraction because it's the total number of parts that I have in my shape. So when I look at my shape, I see that I have one piece that's shaded. So I call this 1/2. Make sense? I thought so. So then if I look over here for the unshaded part, I still have 2 sections, and I have one section that is not shaded. So I have half that is shaded and half that is not shaded. See where I'm going? Okay, let's go down here to this next circle. For this next circle, how many pieces do I have? Did you say 3? Okay, I'm going to write it at the bottom. The total number of parts always goes at the bottom. Now I'm going to look for the shaded pieces, and I have 1. So I say that this is 1/3 of the shape is shaded. So how many pieces of that shape are not shaded? I see that there are still 3 parts. And I see that 2 of the 3 pieces are not shaded. Okay, do you see what we're doing here? Let's jump back up to this one. So for here, I have 3 pieces again. How many pieces are shaded? Did you say 2? Then you are right. So then let's go and do the unshaded pieces. There's still 3 pieces. How many are not shaded? 1. Nice job. Okay, last one. Here we go. How many pieces do we have all together? We have 4. How many are shaded? I hope you said 3. This is 3/4. And let's do the last one. How many pieces all together? 4. How many are not shaded? 1. And that would be 1/4. So boys and girls, what we're looking at is the total number of pieces that goes at the bottom. If you look at each one of mine, the total number of pieces is at the bottom of the fraction. And then, boys and girls, you need to read carefully. Some of us are just flying through things very quickly and not really reading the words. Part of math is being very good at details and really focusing in. So I really want you to focus in. You have a final math quiz that you're going to do, and then we are done with math for second grade. I'm proud of you guys. You've done a great job. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.